Hi, welcome to Snappy Blink. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the honey preset in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some example photos before and after using this preset. Let's get started. Adjust the contrast to 17. Highlights to -61. Adjust shadows to 12. Whites to -100 and blacks to -34. Then slightly adjust the curves like this. Now go to color. OK, now adjust the temperature to 4. Tint -6. Vibrance -8. Finally saturation to -8. Then let's adjust the colors. Red, increase the hue by 18. Increase the saturation to 7. Increase the luminance to 7. Orange, increase the saturation to 19. Increase the luminance to 17. Yellow, decrease the hue by -24. Decrease the saturation to -51. Green, increase the hue by 38. Decrease the saturation to -85. Decrease the luminance to -79. Cyan, decrease the saturation to -80. Blue, decrease the hue by -31. Decrease the saturation to -85. Purple, decrease the saturation by -100. Go to Effects, now adjust the vignette -18. Midpoint 46. Feather 71. Adjust the shadows by making hue 30, saturation 37. Okay, done. Now you can clearly see the difference of before and after of this photo. Now let's copy these settings and try out on more photos.